Okie dokie. So I think I want to try this guy. See how it goes. It's a lip contour kit from Bpure from the Dollar Tree. I was under the impression this was a lip gloss and a lip liner, but it's a liquid lipstick, a glossy one. So I'm curious if this is like a lip vinyl type of lipstick. I don't like those, to be honest. But I don't know. Let's see what happens. That's what they look like. And look, oh, this one's pink lemonade. I don't know how many colors they come in. The other one is terracotta rose. I have a feeling I'm gonna like that one better, but we'll save that for another day. Let's see. There we go. Okay, that's gonna be really light. I don't know. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to use a different lip pencil. The lip liner is nice. But that doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna last. It might smudge on me because I have a downturned mouth. Oh, we'll see. And I can't. That's like a ridiculous color. If I'm honest, I don't like the color. It's so freaking pink. I'll see what it looks like with the liquid lipstick. I don't know. It's like lighter than my actual lip color, which is kind of like throwing me off. I feel like I look weird. I prefer when my lip liner is a darker color than my actual lip color. Moment of truth. Let's see. It is a ridiculous color. I actually have a Maybelline. Oh, it's almost like coconut scented. Yeah, this one's like an obnoxious color. I don't know what I was thinking getting it. I'll be able to make it work with a darker lip liner. The lip liner that it comes with is not dark enough. This one is kind of like a nude, but not for this liquid lipstick, I don't think. I don't like that. That does not look good on me. I'm just curious if these are supposed to be permanent. Outline the desire, you could desire to shape, etc. Before. I don't think this is one that dries down. Give me a minute. I'm going to pause. I'm going to play with it on my hand and see if it dries down. And then I'm also going to come back using a different lip liner with this liquid lipstick because I don't like it the way it is. Alright, I'm going to try this again with my Wet n Wild lip liner because this is too pink, too light of a color to wear with that lip liner that it came with. So, like, yeah. It's not a horrible liquid lipstick. I would call it more of a very pigmented gloss, not an actual liquid lipstick. But you definitely can't use the lip liner that comes with it, or else you're gonna look weird. The lip liner that comes with it is pretty. I'll be able to use it for something else, but it can't be used with this gloss or lipstick. And like I was playing with it on my hand to see if it's like smudge proof, and it's not. This is more of a creamier consistency. It's like the elf lip liners, which I don't really care for. I like when my lip liner is a little drier and has some tug. I don't like a soft lip liner because then my lipstick bleeds because I have a downturned mouth. So those kinds of lip liners are not flattering on my mouth shape. Because, like, look at that. I have, like, resting bitch face, so, yeah. I don't know. Let's see. But, yeah. I don't hate it, but I don't love the combination. I can't use them together. I'm gonna have to use them separately, which isn't a big deal. I'll still use them. But look how much better it looks with a different lip liner. Alright. See you guys later. Okay, bye.